Today we're going to see if the Ryobi half-inch impact gun is worth $100. The Ryobi impact gun doesn't have the best specs on paper, but it's half the price of the competition. So can it get the job done? Half-inch anvil, a 3-speed motor. On the high setting it can do 0 to 2900 RPM. The medium speed can be 0 to 2300 RPM, and a low speed of 0 to 1800 RPM. It also has 300 foot-pounds of torque and 3200 impacts per minute with a tool weight of 3.45 pounds. Compared to the rigid gun, which costs $180, has a 2600 RPM max speed, 3500 impacts per minute, and a 450 foot-pounds of torque. So for half the price of the rigid gun, let's see if this gun can do the job. The first test we're going to do is this 5-inch, 1/4-inch lag bolt. Let's see how it performs. The next test we're going to do is this 8-inch, 1/4-inch lag bolt with some really long flutes here. So let's see how it performs. So for the next test, we're going to do this 2-inch, 1/2-inch lag bolt. So for our final bolt test, we're going to do this 8-inch, 1/2-inch lag bolt. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, completely demolished the wood. This tool is doing a great job. So for our next test here, I have this lug nut and stud. I torqued it down to 150 foot-pounds. Let's see if this gun can do that. Not a problem at all. Let's go do our final test. So for our final test here, we're going to see how quick you can take 4 lug nuts off a car. So pretty damn good tool there. Pretty efficient, pretty powerful, definitely worth the $100. So in conclusion, is this tool worth it? Is it powerful enough? Can it get the job done? Yes, yes, and yes. This tool I 100% recommend to anyone that has any type of project to do at their house. This can get it done. Lug nuts, lag bolts, anything. This can do it. I recommend, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.